That means awakening here is now you understand that you have to step into what we call radical responsibility. Radical responsibility. Kahit gaano kapangit ang ginawa sa iyo, wala kang karapatan magkimkim ng sama ng loob because bakit? Talo ka. Now, self-awareness will not be easy. Ask me why. Because you need to have a lot of self-confrontation. And the reason why our life is not working the way we want it because we're too much in denial. Tinuruan tayo, pag baka Diyos ka, magsakripisyo ka. Biggest bullshit. Because how can you love other people, you don't even know how to take care of you? Apo na ba si Coach Ross? Yes or no? Yes! Siyempre, pag nagka-budget, gagwapo ka rin. Di ba? And that's something I'm really excited. Ask me why. Because awakening is for us to now to understand that the moment you really know deep in your heart who you are, not as a normal human being, but as a natural human being, the older you get, the hotter you become. Maganda ba yun? The older you get, you have more money. Maganda ba yun? The older you get more love again. And that is natural. What is normal? Yung normal, the older you get in terms of health, gumagandang health o pumapangit? The older you get, most of the time, yung normal, diba? Lalo ngayon, di ba, yung mga, meron tayong mga nakikita dyan sa TikTok, trentahin. Sino yung mga trentahin dito? Di ba? Tapos anong sayo ng trentahin? Hawak mo ang Vicks. Vicks na pala, no? Kung ano-ano nang nilalagay sa katawan. Yes or yes? 30 pa lang yan, ha? Can you imagine? And I'm scared. Ask me why. Because this is not natural. I don't know if you learned in the Old Testament, people live up until 900 years. Did you hear that? Yeah, and that's how we were designed to be. Except maybe we were trained, we were programmed to think that okay lang ang magkaroon ng health issues because normal yan. It's not. And I don't want to buy to that in, and that's why I'm putting this out because I believe not only me, thousands of graduates, right now, the older they get, the yummier they become. Sabihin mo sa kami, friend, the older I get, the yummier I become. Di ba? Pag yummy, iba talaga. Right? This is the best part. Ask me what's the best part. Yung normal in terms of money, the older you get, mas kumikita na malaki, or the older you get, there's a lot of fear around earning. Fear. That's normal. However, that's not natural. In nature, if you take a look at a tree, let's say a mango tree. A mango tree namumunga ng 10 years, tama ba? But can they bear fruit until 100 years? Oh, you bet. But how come that is now going on? And that is something that we want you to awaken with. Because at the end of the day, if you're not awakened to the whole truth, you will live your life in a way, it's always kapos. It's always scarcity. In fact, I would always put up here, if you want to write the first word of the day is what we call normal. What's the word? And normal is always about lack. L-A-C-K. Laging kulang. Kaya tayo kinakabahan. Alam mo, blessed lang ako dahil I've trained so many people and nung nalaman namin may gera, tumaas yung gasolina, tumaas lahat, ang tanong ko sa kanila, at a scale of 1 to 10, gaano kayo katakot, ka-worried sa nangyayari? Alam mo yung sagot nila, karamihan on an average 2. Sabi ko, i-compare mo ito versus pandemic. Naalala niyo, 2020? They said out of 10, it's 11. Simply because they understand that as a normal human being, it's all about fear. What's the word? Fear. We were all wired up to be afraid of what's going on in the world today. Tapos pag natakot ka na, syempre anong kilos mo? Excitement or magtago? Tago. Why? Because there's doubt. May bukas pa ba? In fact, the more crisis we experience, the more we are excited. Ask me why. Because ang asawa ng crisis, opportunity. Maganda ba yon? And if we want to live a great life, the thing we need to do is to really stop worrying about the things that you have no control about. And 100% of our worry in life, we have zero control. And yet we live our life based on fear, based on doubt, based on worry. And therefore, at this pace, maybe we're programmed for lack/scarcity. And I don't know if you know this, but this is the best time to live our lives. In the 1900s, for you to earn as much money as you can, you need to put out what? Factory. At kokonti lang yung mayaman, tama ba? In the 1950s, since ang dami ng factory, the way you earn is number 2, is what we call large corporation. That's why pag wala kang MBA, PhD, kung hindi ka tapos na pag-aaral, talagang hindi ka magiging successful katulad ng gusto natin. Yes or yes? But did you notice right now, kahit sino pwedeng maging successful? Sige nga, no? Tingnan natin. Kung artista ka, kailangan unang-una meron kang itsura. Not only pleasing personality, but looks talaga. Kasi iba yung looks sa personality. But it will have to go hand in hand. Right? Now, maganda ka na, may talent ka pa. Kaso lang, pag wala kang backer, patay tayo dyan. At kung may backer ka, ang hirap din pumasok. Bakit? It's now just, again, what? Maybe monopolized by I don't know. But right now, anyone can be famous. No? Kagabi, pinapanood ko yung wag mo na, yung gumagano lang. Sino yun? Ano yun? Yung nagtatransform siya? Sino yun? Ay, di mo kilala. Buti naman, iba yung pinapanood mo siguro, no? Alam niyo yun, yung kinikilig siya, and now he's phenomenal worldwide. Tapos, here's the thing. Alam niyo sinong kakolab niya ngayon? Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera, what? 20 million follower, wanna collab with nobody. We now have the greatest time of our life to really live. However, the only way that can happen for you is we now shift ourselves, no longer become the normal human being. Because ano yung opposite ng normal? Natural. So sulat natin dyan, natural. But as natural human being, this is one thing I want to let you understand. And I'll guarantee you, if you apply what you've learned here, I will not say instant, gaganda't gaganda lalo kagad ang buhay mo, but guarantee, the older you get, your life become better and better and better. Up until one day, yung mga pangarap mo, hindi mo na pinapangarap, ask me why. Bibilihin mo na lang. Maganda ba yung ganyan? And that's something we want you to understand because as natural, when I say natural, what's the word? Natural. You're like nature. Part of the nature system. And the nature, the trees, the birds, the cow, we belong to one source. And this source is who I call him, it's God. Now, I'll be very clear. This is not a religious seminar. I'm not gonna talk about my religion because I don't practice any particular religion right now. Whatever religion you have, stay there. If you're Catholic, stay as a Catholic. If you're Iglesia, stay as Iglesia. If you're Buddhist, stay Buddhist. If you don't believe in God, stay where you are. But what I naturally believe here is that we are all created in one source, one being, one divinity. And for the purpose of this seminar, we call Him God. Okay lang ba? Raise your right hand if you're okay for me to mention the word God. Tapos tignan mo yung katabi mo. Kung hindi nagtaas ng kamay, magkakampo ni Satanas yan. Okay lang ba? Okay lang? To mention the word God. Thank you. Which means you're now claiming as a beautiful creation of God, you are natural and therefore as natural, there will always be no lack. In fact, the word here is abundance. What's the word? Abundance. Walang katapusan. What if ang belief system natin tungkol sa pera parang hangin? Maganda ba yon? Yung paniwala natin tungkol sa pera parang hangin lang. Kung gusto mo kumita, everyone, take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Ulitin natin. Tapos i-observe mo yung katabi mo, makichismis ka, kung nagtira ba siya, kung nag-ipon ba siya, kung nag-manage ba siya, kung nagkaroon ba siya ng mga iba't ibang departmento sa pera. Tingnan mo yung katabi. Inhale. Exhale. May nagtira ba? May nag-ipon ba? May nagsabi ba, i-budget mo yung hangin, ha? Meron bang na ganon? Wala. Bakit? Why? Because the moment we were born up until now, we know that we don't even have to pray, Lord, give me air, because air is always available. And that's what I believe in. Whatever you want in your life, whether it's health, it's relationship, or money, it's always available. Ask me why. Because we have a source that is abundant. Walang katapusan. No beginning and an end. That's the energy that we create, except that maybe the reason why we're so afraid because maybe Instead of lack, we now start to think there's always plenty for everyone. And how do we now move from scarcity to lack to right now thinking that plenty and abundance is always available? Ask me how. Never hard work. May kilala kayong tao, grabe yung trabaho, as in sobrang hardworking. Naubos ng health, nagkasakit na, gumanda ang buhay o mas lalong pumangit? Mas lalong pumangit. And yet, we were all wired up for you to get what you want. You have to work so hard. Sabi nga sa Matthew, look at the birds in the sky. They don't work. They don't harvest. They don't store in the barn. And yet, they're taken care of. So ang tanong ko, sino mas magaling, ikaw or yung ibon? Pantay lang po yan. Walang lamangan dito. Pagsabi pareho lang. Nilalang ng Diyos. Kaso lang yung ibon, hindi na-introduce sa kanya yung fear. Klaro? Yung ibon, hindi siya nagdududa kung ibon ba ako or hindi. And yung ibon, hindi nagwo-worry. Ask me why. Because again, in the end, they know who they are. Ang problema sa atin, we don't even know who we are. And this is one thing I do, no? By July next year, 2027, it will be my 20th year to do seminars like this. Palakpakan nyo naman ako. 20th year. And one thing I understand, no? Halos lahat ng couple, husband and wife, 9 out of 10, nagsasama na lang for the sake of just being together, but not really fully connected. And people say, normal lang yan. No, it's not. And we don't want that. But maybe there's something that we need to start looking into. And the awakening here is that everything starts with your faith, sa iyong paniniwala. Kung ano yung result ng buhay mo, hindi yan nanggaling sa hard work mo, hindi yan nanggaling sa smart work mo, nanggaling yan sa paniniwala mo. So kung paniwala mo, para gumanda at umasenso ang buhay, hard work ka ng hard work, aasenso ka, gagandang buhay, pero pahirapan. What if your belief system here is success is easy and exciting? Can you say that? Ready, begin. Success is easy, exciting. Now, when you believe success is easy and exciting, kahit gaano kahirap, iisipin madali lang yan. Kaya naman mahirap because we are not familiar with the new things. But the moment na familiarize mo yan, everything will be easy. And therefore, the awakening here is to let you understand that when you believe that you are a natural being created by one source who is abundant and therefore your life will be abundant. And your action here from faith is we call hope. What's the word? Hope. Kilos lang kahit hindi magandang nangyayari. Kasi wala namang sasabihin, toxic positivity. O mas maganda yun kaysa toxic negativity. Yeah, just act and feel and think of whatever you want, it's on its way. But you have to act in hope. But above all, the most natural state of our Creator is what we call love. And today, for this to happen, the most important action plan that I would love you guys to start embracing is really loving yourself. Sabi nga, you cannot give what you don't have. Kaya nang pala, so puro sakit, sama ng loob, ang nararamdaman natin sa buhay kasi bigay din ng bigay at naubusan tayo. And I just feel so blessed because, again, I did not come from a poor family. In fact, I come from a good family. Except lang yung aking paniwala sa aking pagpalaki is never ako maging successful. Ask me why. Because lumaki ako, feeling ko bobo ako. Repeater po ako sa grade school, pasang-awa ako sa high school, hanggang college. Meron bang ganyang feeling nyo bobo din kayo? Wow, mga honor. Congratulations, no? And here's the worst part. Pagkasabi, what's the worst part? Bobo na, pangit pa. No, all my life, 46-inch waistline, 240 pounds, and I didn't like myself really. Blessed lang ako because at age 21, when I graduated my university, nagkaroon ako ng mentor. Yun pala yung pinaka-key. Kaya hanggang ngayon, mentor pa yung mentor. Ask me why. Because a mentor can change the course of your life. And my mentor introduced to me the world of personal development. So can you imagine, at age 21, nagpa-personal development na ako. And I improved myself. And at age 35, I was the most successful human being alive. Nakilala ko sarili ko. But at that time, I did not understand myself. Bakit? Pero isa na pangarap ko, samahan niyo ako. Ask me what? One day, Philippines, first world country, walang mangingibang bayan, iwan ng pamilya, because ang ekonomiya nandito. Huwag na po natin iasa sa gobyerno. God bless the government. But laban na natin to para sa bayan natin, para sa pamilya natin, para sa anak natin. But the only way we can do this is to change the mindset of Filipino people, starting with awakening na tayo isang dakilang lahi, pinagpala anak ng Diyos. Therefore, we deserve all the blessing. And that's the first step, self-awareness. Now, self-awareness will not be easy. Ask me why. Because you need to have a lot of self-confrontation. And the reason why our life is not working the way we want it because we're too much in denial. Okay ka lang ng okay, pero hindi ka naman talaga okay. Let's be real. Let's be honest. Galing na ako dyan. Psychologist, psychotherapist, pati spiritista, wala akong nakuha. Because bakit? Hindi ko ma-confront yung sarili ko. The reason why maybe I was very successful because all I want is love me. Tanggapin niyo ako. Approval from people who I love the most. Approval from anyone and everyone. Forgetting about me. Depleted is the word. Said na. Pagod na. Ubus na because we're serving everyone except ourselves. Tinuruan tayo, pag maka-Diyos ka, magsakripisyo ka. Biggest bullshit. Because how can you love other people, you don't even know how to take care of you? And maybe the reason why I'm able to overgive, what's the word? Overgive. When I say overgive, if you really know me, siksik, liglig, umaapaw ako pag nagbigay. Sige nga, sino dito nandito kayo dahil follower niyo ako? Taas ang kamay. Tapos nag-message kayo sa akin, sinagot ko pa ng totoong sagutan. And it's too good to be true. But how come I can still give and give and give and give? Ask me why. Because I am aware I can only give what I have. And at that time, I was giving too much to people around me because why? Wala akong awareness ng hinahanap ko nasa loob, hindi sa labas. And therefore, number 3, awakening will always have to start with self-honesty. This whole day, an invitation for you to be honest. Because if not, uuwi kang parehong tao. But if you are, can I guarantee something? When you go home tonight, people can smell, people can see, ibang tao ka na. But you have to work in you. We will give you everything. As if you paid 15,000 for this, because I only have one day to support you. Batch 1, meron kaming 12-year-old, pinadala ng nanay. And with little did we know, there were so many teenagers in all the batches. The reason why they were sent to the seminar, because most of them wanted to unalive themselves. Suicide. Umuwi yung bata, nagbago, nagulat, at yung source ng kanyang suicidal, yung tatay. Batch 2, umaten yung tatay. Umuwi, nagbago, nagulat, pumunta sa lola. Batch 3, sinong umaten? Tanong niyo sa akin. Exactly, at 84 years old. Oh my God. And what happened to the next batch? The entire family had healing, had connection. Felt the most love in their life that they never felt. Because this is one thing I am really emotional about. Even my own family, it feels like we're strangers. Buti na lang, when my dad passed away, I had the opportunity to gather all my siblings. At hindi ko alam, hindi nila alam, ang dami naming bit-bit sa isa't isa na hindi namin napag-usapan. And our family's relationship is never the same again. Hindi best friends pero punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Maganda ba yun? But you need to start working on it. And that is my invitation. Because awakening here is really understanding that when you are successful, that's your fault. Sabihin mo sa kanila, friend, if you are successful, that's your fault. But here's the thing, pagpalpak ka, that's your fault. That means awakening here is now you understand that you have to step into what we call radical responsibility. Radical responsibility. Kahit gaano kapangit ang ginawa sa iyo, wala kang karapatan magkimkim ng sama ng loob because bakit? Talo ka. Para kang umiinom ng lason, sana siya yung mamatay. And that's the first step that we're gonna do today. We're gonna reset. We're gonna identify emotions that you don't like, and we're gonna clear it, we're gonna close it, and you will never feel the same way again with your life. Good or good? Except that there's a lot of things that's going on that we carry up until now. 9.8 or 9.9 out of 10 of our trouble right now, tanong niyo sa akin, saan nagagaling? 0 to 4-year-old. And that's why, the opposite of radical responsibility is what we call victim. Ito yung wala akong magagawa. And the difference between people who's making it in their life is that they have radical responsibility mindset versus victim mindset. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend, if you were born poor, that's on your parents. But if you die poor, that's on you. However, the reason why a lot of people are not making life because victim. Diba? How many of you here, you want to be healthy, fit, and you want to lose weight? Raise your hand. Ba't hindi nangyayari? Eh, kasi walang gym. You know, I live in a very nice place. There's a free gym. Not even 1% of the residents are using it. Simply because, again, victim mindset. How do we know we're victim mindset? We all put up our drama. Mas masarap kasing magdrama kaysa ayusin. Klaro ba? Tapos yung drama mo, ihahatid yan sa justification. Eh, kasi mali naman talagang ginawa, di ba? Kung ikaw yun, yan. Oo nga, 10 years na tayong ganyan. I'm scared because a lot of people, 50, 60 years old, still blaming their parents. Hello? Your parents loved you the best way they know how. Stop blaming them. Biggest dream killer is what we call excuse. Excuse mo na ako, ha? But here's the thing, you always give yourself an excuse not to make it happen. Blame. Stories. Today, we're gonna clear everything, and the only way you can live a life that is abundance. What's the word? Abundance. Pwedeng magyabang? Yes. I don't have all the money in the world. But if everything is taken away from me, lahat po, at lilipat ako ng bagong country, back to zero, bankrupt ako, mas magiging excited pa ako. Ask me why. Because my success is no longer dependent in a certain country. My success is no longer dependent in a certain business, certain community, certain people, because my success is dependent in my source. Maganda ba yun? As of today, no? Sino dito, eto lang yun, when you work on this really well, you will have financial freedom. Raise your hand if you want financial freedom. You'll never have to worry about money. Pakisabi, I will never have to worry about money. Dami ko kayong pera. Kailangan yung expression. 1, 2, 3, go. Kailangan ramdamin mo yan. But, can you raise your hand if you're here because you have so much money but you don't have time to enjoy it? Meron ba tayo dito? Ang dami mong pera but wala kang time to enjoy. Thank you. That's honest. Few people do have that, but here's one thing I guarantee, not you, but most people I know who have all the money in the world, they're all miserable. 100%. Ask me why. Because they don't have time to enjoy their money. How many of you here, you have all the time to enjoy your life, but you don't have money? Raise your hand. At least maraming time. You know guys, sa totoo lang, pag sobrang daming pera mo, alam mo na anong pinakamahalaga mong asset? Time. Sobrang halaga na you cannot afford to waste this. But when you have so much money and you have so much time, that's too boring. Wala nang excitement sa buhay. Wala ka nang gagawin eh. I want you to write this. Never be contented, but always be grateful. I will repeat that. Never be contented, but always be grateful. Because the moment you're contented, you're out of the game. It's either you're growing or you're dying. You cannot remain the same. Now, why do I say never be contented? Ask me why. Because there's more to life. I'm 55 right now as if I just feel I'm just starting. Can you imagine the excitement I have with my life? Ask me why. Not because I have a lot of money, not because a lot of time, but because, number 3, I have fulfillment in my life. What's the word? That when I say fulfillment, I feel good about myself when I am by myself. And that's where awakening is. You know, I just feel so blessed. that maybe 9 out of 10 of the work that I do is all pro bono. What's the word? Pro bono. Okay, for this, do you think I'm earning from this? No. We're gonna roll this out to give more transformation, to give this and that. Hopefully, if you have companies, invite us. We can do this for your company. If you have government agency, school, we want to do this. La Union, we want to go to there, wherever we want to do this because, again, we're training more people to do what we do. Why? Because we want to awaken the entire country. Gising tayo. Obligasyon natin to. Hindi si Sara ang sagot, hindi si Bongbong ang sagot, kung hindi tayo bilang Pilipino. Is this clear? And I just feel so blessed because of awakening. Okay? It allowed me to transform in my life. Okay lang ba share ko what I do professionally? Okay? So welcome to my house. This is one of my house. It's called House of Transformation. Pinapalakpakan po tayo. Okay? So we have House of Transformation in Cavite. We have Cebu. We have Iloilo. We have Davao. We have General Santos City. Soon, Dubai. Singapore. Hong Kong, Japan. Hopefully, Canada. Okay, we're gonna go to Canada, Calgary next year, June next week. But it's all the things that I do to support me. And what happened to me, okay, without even working, money is raking in. Ask me why. Because again, most of the people who I trained to be awakened owns all of this company, founders, CEO, and I am their CFO, Chief Law Officer. And I own most of this company between 5, 10, 20, 49% ownership. Maganda ba yun? Because of the awakening. Yes? Now, can we go to the purpose of the seminar, please? Can we all read? Ready? Begin. Sadali lang. Ano to? Namatayan kayo? Huwag niyo ipahalata walang pera because money is therefore, pag wala kang money, wala kang kunwari, ang dami-daming pera. Awakening, ready, go! So this is just a beginning, a genesis, a door opening. And however, this afternoon, we're going to talk to you about other programs. It's not upsell because we're not selling anything, but it's you to continue your growth. But even if you don't continue your growth with us, okay lang because we're going to give you something to do on a day-to-day basis. This is not about fixing you because you're never broken. You've always been whole, perfect as a beautiful creature of God. But what we'll solve here is number one, being able to take a look at on biggest problem on earth. The biggest problem on earth is really number one, depression. People are emotionally overloaded. And therefore, we have an invitation today. Ask me what? Repeat after me. The opposite of depression is expression. So today, are we gonna cry a lot? Ask me yes. Yes or yes? Sabihin mo sa friend, be ready to cry. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Ang sarap kayang umiyak. Guys, I cry every day. That's why my heart is so open. But are we gonna laugh? Oh, you bet. We have a laughing therapy later on. Excited? We're gonna have a full range of emotion. Ask me why. The opposite of depression is? Express yourself. Because when you express yourself, ask me what will happen. Money will run after you. Second problem of the world here is not just emotional overload, it's already reclining health. And one thing I'll guarantee you, no, if you feel you're not as healthy, as fit as you are, this is gonna be the starting point. Sagot ko yung one day nyo, sagot yung pang-araw-araw nyo, gawin nyo lang yung natural, hindi yung normal. Yung normal, hindi nag-aalaga ng sarili. Yung natural, inaalaga ang sarili. Tama ba? If you look at all the birds, all the animals in the wilderness, kailangan man lang i-remind na maglakad sila o talagang naglalakad sila. O tayo, kung kailangan mag-wheelchair, ginoo ko. And lastly, this is one thing I realized, financial pressure. This reset will help you achieve all of those. Sa friend, be ready to cry. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Ang sarap kayang umiyak. Guys, I cry every day. That's why my heart is so open. But are we gonna laugh? Oh, you bet. We have a laughing therapy later on. Excited? We're gonna have a full range of emotion. Ask me why. The opposite of depression is? Express yourself. Because when you express yourself, ask me what will happen. Money will run after you. Second problem of the world here is not just emotional overload, it's already declining health. And one thing I'll guarantee you, no, if you feel you're not as healthy, as fit as you are, this is gonna be the starting point. Sagot ko yung one day nyo, sagot yung pang-araw-araw nyo, gawin nyo lang yung natural, hindi yung normal. Yung normal, hindi nag-aalaga ng sarili. Yung natural, inaalaga ang sarili. Tama ba? If you look at all the birds, all the animals in the wilderness, kailangan ba lang i-remind na maglakad sila o talagang naglalakad sila? O tayo, kung kailangan mag-wheelchair, ginoo ko. And lastly, this is one thing I realized, financial pressure. This reset will help you achieve all of those.